Have you ever wondered why some people captivate others effortlessly, even without saying much? In a world that often values the loud and the visible, there's a unique allure to those who attract attention quietly and subtly. Silent attraction is an art form that goes beyond conventional wisdom and taps into the deeper aspects of human interaction. If you're looking to develop an appealing presence without being the loudest in the room, Mind Wraps will discuss 6 unconventional tips to help you become silently attractive. These tips will enhance your social habits, boost your quiet confidence, and refine your overall charm. 1. Master the art of subtle compliments. Compliments are powerful tools for building rapport, but the way they're delivered can make all the difference. Subtle compliments are an unconventional way to make others feel valued without coming across as insincere or overly enthusiastic. You can do this by focusing on a person's efforts and traits. Instead of complimenting obvious things like appearance, acknowledge someone's efforts, skills, or character traits. For example, "I noticed how dedicated you are to your work. It's inspiring." Specific compliments feel more genuine and thoughtful. Rather than saying, "You did a great job," say, "Your attention to detail on that project was impressive." Timing is key. Deliver compliments casually in conversation rather than making them the focal point. This makes them feel more natural and less forced. 2. Use the power of silence. In a society that often fears silence, knowing when to be quiet can be a surprisingly attractive trait. Silence can create a sense of mystery and depth, making your words more impactful when you do speak. Pause before speaking. Taking a moment to gather your thoughts before responding shows that you're thoughtful and considerate. Let others fill the silence. This not only makes you appear more attentive but also gives you insight into their thoughts and feelings. Use facial expressions, nods, and other body language cues to communicate during silent moments. This can be very powerful and engaging. 3. Develop a signature style. Your personal style can say a lot about you without uttering a single word. Developing a signature style that reflects your personality and values can silently attract others and set you apart. Know yourself. Understand your tastes, preferences, and what makes you feel comfortable and confident. Your style should reflect your real personality. Invest in quality pieces that last and make a statement. It's better to have a few standout items than a closet full of mediocre ones. Pay attention to small details like accessories, scents, or even the way you carry yourself. These nuances can enhance your overall presence. 4. Cultivate intellectual curiosity. Being genuinely interested in a variety of topics can make you more interesting and attractive. Intellectual curiosity shows that you're open-minded and engaged with the world around you. Read widely. Explore books, articles, and other resources on diverse subjects. This broadens your knowledge and gives you more to talk about in conversations. Ask thought-provoking questions. Engage others with questions that go beyond small talk. Ask about their opinions, experiences, and ideas. When you come across something fascinating, share it with others in a way that sparks curiosity and interest. 5. Practice minimalism in conversation. Less can be more when it comes to conversation. Practicing minimalism in your speech can make you appear more thoughtful and intentional, leaving others wanting to hear more from you. Be concise. Don't be long-winded, just get to the point without unnecessary jargon. This shows respect for others' time and makes your words more impactful. Choose words carefully. Use precise language to convey your thoughts clearly. This reduces misunderstandings and enhances your credibility. Don't be afraid of pauses in conversation. They give others time to reflect and respond more thoughtfully. 6. Develop a calm and steady presence. People are instinctively attracted to individuals who radiate calmness and stability. Developing a calm and steady presence can make you a reassuring and attractive figure in any social setting. Regular mindfulness practices can help you stay centered and present, even in stressful situations. Practice deep, controlled breathing to manage anxiety and maintain composure. Move with purpose and deliberation. Avoid fidgeting or making sudden, erratic movements, which can make you seem nervous or uncertain. Silent attraction is a blend of subtle social habits, quiet confidence, and an appealing personality that doesn't need to shout for attention. By mastering the art of subtle compliments, harnessing the power of silence, developing a signature style, cultivating intellectual curiosity, practicing minimalism in conversation, and maintaining a calm presence, you can become more attractive in an unconventional yet highly effective way. Here are practical ways to apply these techniques. At social events, such as attending parties, focus on listening and observing more than speaking. Engage with people using thoughtful questions and subtle compliments. Dress in a way that reflects your personality without being overly flashy. Your signature style will naturally attract attention. At work, when you are in a meeting, speak concisely and to the point. Your colleagues will appreciate your clarity and respect for their time. Demonstrate your intellectual curiosity by sharing interesting insights and asking meaningful questions. With friends and family, practice active listening and give thoughtful compliments that show you truly understand and appreciate your loved ones. Maintain a calm and steady presence during discussions, especially during disagreements or stressful situations. Being silently attractive is about more than just adopting a few habits, it's about embracing a way of being that reflects your true self. It's about finding strength in subtlety and confidence in calmness. By integrating these unconventional tips into your daily life, you can develop a magnetic presence that draws people in naturally and effortlessly. Silent charisma is a powerful form of attraction that goes beyond the superficial. It's about being genuine, thoughtful, and engaged in a way that naturally appeals to others. By following these 6 unconventional tips, you can cultivate a presence that speaks volumes without saying much at all. In a noisy world, the quiet ones often make the most lasting impressions. Embrace your unique qualities, refine your social habits, and watch as your silent charm begins to transform your interactions and relationships. Silent attraction isn't about changing who you are, it's about highlighting the best parts of yourself in a way that draws people in and leaves them wanting more. If you enjoyed these tips and want more self-development strategies to boost your overall happiness, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Stay tuned for more insightful content designed with your needs in mind to help you live your best life. We'd love to hear from you. Drop us a comment below and let us know what other self-help topics you'd like us to discuss. Mind Wraps has you covered on your journey to personal growth and fulfillment.